There's truly so much to love about this laptop bag, and it is really good quality. It's made of a very durable material, and I love all of the pretty gold details in the zippers. And these zippers are high quality too because they glide super well and they have metal tabs. Inside of the main part of the bag, there are two padded pockets, which are great for laptops and iPads. And this one fits my really big 16-inch laptop. And then there are some pen slots and other pockets and compartments for all of your stuff. But one of the coolest features is that there is a USB cord inside that you can attach to a portable charger, and then there's a little pouch pocket where you could put that portable charger. And then on the outside of the bag, you could plug in your phone or device to charge it. Each side has a cup holder pocket, and there are also pockets on the front to store even more of your things. It has padded shoulder straps that makes it more comfortable to carry around, and it even has this strap that you could put over a carry-on, which makes it really great to travel with. Another great feature for travel would be this secure pocket on the back where you can store your valuables, and then it will always be right up against your body and no one can ever get into it as long as you're wearing the bag. And another nice touch that I really liked is that it has a wired structured opening, so it just kind of keeps the mouth of the bag open while you're using it. I love everything about this bag. It's really great for all of your work stuff, and it's got lots of features that make it really great to travel with, so I can highly recommend it.